Graduate school to some is a daunting and overwhelming venture that few, if any, students can succeed in. Impacted greatly by this challenge are minority Hispanic populations, but nestled right on the US-Mexico border, Texas A&M International University aims to change the narrative and bring the representation of Hispanic students in graduate school to new heights. Many students enter the graduate school arena without the needed support that enables them to succeed and complete their degree. Here at TAMIU's Advanced Research and Curriculum Initiative, or ARC, we plan to do just that. ARC aims to increase the retention and decrease the graduation time for our graduate students. And to that end, we offer a variety of services and resources aimed at supporting them as they navigate their academic career while balancing life, family, work, and other responsibilities. So we here at ARC ask ourselves, what happens to students who walk into graduate school with access to mentors, peer support, and professional development opportunities? How does that empower them? We know our students have the drive to accomplish their goals, and now they have the right resources and the right folks in their corner. Visit ARC in the Graduate Student Academic Success Center in Pellegrino Hall 203. We have the study rooms available just for grad students, as well as instructional writing materials and many other resources. We also offer regular professional development workshops where you can hone in your skills and generate new professional connections. Your support system consists of Franco Somara, the writing consultants, various supplemental instruction leaders, and fellow graduate students able to serve as peer mentors, as many minds are greater than one. Feel encouraged to schedule your one-on-one writing consultation, participate in thesis writing groups, submit writing assignments for review, find useful writing resources, or just come and borrow a quiet space to get your work done on campus. In any case, we look forward to seeing you here, and we look forward to seeing you succeed.